Galaxy S23 Ultra has 6.9 inches display and iPhone 14 Pro has 6.1 inches display. Here is the display resolution of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Here is the aspect ratio of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro. The pixel density of S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro is 519 ppi and 461 ppi. Here is the screen-to-body ratio of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro. The brightness nits of S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro is 1800 nits and 2000 nits.
Operating system of Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro is Android V13 and iOS V16. Galaxy S23 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and iPhone 14 Pro has Apple A16 Bionic chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro. Galaxy S23 Ultra has Adreno 730 GPU and iPhone 14 Pro has Apple GPU. The back camera of S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps and 8K at 60 fps. Galaxy S23 Ultra has 32 megapixels front camera and iPhone 14 Pro has 12 megapixels front camera. The front camera of S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps.
Galaxy S23 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery and iPhone 14 Pro has 3200 mAh battery.
Galaxy S23 Ultra has 47 watt fast charging and iPhone 14 Pro has 20 watt fast charging. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones support reverse charging. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have wireless charging. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have GPS. Galaxy S23 Ultra has fingerprint sensor but iPhone 14 Pro doesn't. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have face unlock. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have NFC. Neither Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones are water resistant. Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro is IP68.